Okay guys, just fully shut it down before you do anything with the laptop. Remove all the screw using your Phillips screwdriver. Okay guys, so you can either pry it out all around it, but the way I do it, I put my finger like that and I just pull out this bit over here that touches the back cover. So I just do that. It gives me a bit of a crack, and just that. Okay, just careful this connection. That's your jack. So basically what you want to do is this one screw. Actually the screw is broken on this one, but basically that's the screw that holds the jack in place. Take your finger like that, or prying tool, pull it out. Okay guys, that's your jack. I've got a part number in this slip, but it's too badly wrapped up. I can't even read it properly. But when you get it, make sure the pin in the middle is not damaged, and that is also okay in the back as well.